Start your bike, let it warm up. Get the oil heated up a little bit, then you'll be ready to go. So first, you're gonna need your tools. Get your oil, filter, crush washer, rings, shop rags, foil. I'm gonna show you a little tip with the foil. Your pan. This is a 2026 700R. You're gonna go in here, right underneath, right there, and loosen the. Okay, we got that. Once you drain it out, you go ahead and put it back in. Next, we're going to drain this one. This one on the 2026 is a different fitting. Everyone kept saying it's a 22 socket. One even had a 21. I'm using a 13/16, which fits perfect. So this is for the 2026. That thing, see, it fits snug. That's what you want. So that's how it comes off. You want to put it back on the same way. But let that drain for a while. These are only $6. The flat side, the smooth side is out. Just like that. While that's draining, you're gonna loosen this. You'll have another O-ring that comes on it. Don't let it fall in there. It shouldn't, but just be careful. Now you're gonna do the oil filter. I don't want to get oil all over, so I get the aluminum foil. You could really get it in there and press it to fit and let it kind of drain down to the pan. That way you don't get any oil on your bike engine. Just start with the bottom one and let it drain out a little bit. Keep them kind of in order so I know which one's which. You can see the metal shavings. The O-ring's $12. You could probably get another couple uses out of it, but I'm just gonna swap it out. Give the inside a quick cleaning. This side goes in, it's only gonna fit one way. You wanna oil the new seals, like so. Go ahead and insert it back in. I'm gonna fill this one up to the 16 mark. I'm gonna come around this side and fill it up with the whole quart. Double check your dipstick. Make sure it's full. I use both quarts. Both of them fit. It took all of it, but hope this helped. Ride safe.